Different rotor types are suitable for handling various types and volumes of sample containers. Rotor types: fixed angle rotor. Description: samples are held at a fixed angle relative to the axis of rotation. Suitability: ideal for rapid sedimentation and separation of samples. Swinging bucket rotor. Description: buckets swing out as the rotor spins, allowing samples to face outward. Suitability: suitable for larger volumes and high-throughput applications. Multi-tube rotor. Description: designed to hold multiple tubes of the same size in a single holder. Suitability: useful for processing large numbers of small sample volumes simultaneously. Continuous flow rotor. Description: samples are continuously fed into and out of the rotor during operation. Suitability: best for continuous processing and large volume separations. Zonal rotor. Description: samples are separated based on density gradients without physical barriers. Suitability: ideal for precise fractionation of particles and molecules. Adapter rotor. Description: adapters fit onto a rotor to accommodate different tube sizes and shapes. Suitability: provides flexibility for using a variety of sample containers with a single rotor. Selecting the appropriate rotor type is crucial for achieving optimal results in micro-high-speed refrigerated centrifugation. To learn more about our range of micro-high-speed refrigerated centrifuges, or if you have any questions regarding rotor types, please contact me through my email provided on my homepage. I will respond within 24 hours.